Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Just tell me.
Hope everyone submitted your assignments, the first assignment.
Yes, sir. I sent it mails.
What about the others? Okay. A short recap of last session. Last session we learned about fundamentals, and the fundamental we just landed on marketing, and we learned what is marketing by the definition given by American Association, Marketing Association. So today we are going to learn another fundamental that is called to be marketing. So in the marketing we saw art of selling is not marketing, but it is truth is marketing differs from sales. And we saw another fundamental that marketing focuses on profit. And then we saw about marketing is a societal process, and we got this definition. Marketing is activity, set of institutions and the process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So this is what American Marketing Association gives. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn another fundamental called marketing management. So we started this, and we learned about one particular point, that is marketing management is a combination of art and science. So we saw art needs some skills and the science involves some tools. So some skills and technology inclusion makes marketing management a very important one. So marketing management focuses on targets and make them into your business and keep growing with your organization. So this is what we saw in the last class. And in today's class, we are going to learn a little more further in marketing management. So when we discuss that is management, we have to make sure there are a lot of areas we have to focus on. And in which are the areas we can focus? That is, first we have to create some campaigns. So marketing has to be created, and then it has to be delivered to the people whom we want to exchange the value. And third, communicating superior customer value. So we are going to tell, if you buy my product, it will give these many benefits to you. So this is what marketing management does. So you are going to create a marketing campaign, you are going to deliver to your people, and finally you are going to exchange the value. So we see many advertisements right nowadays. For example, Lifebuoy advertisement comes, it is the only brand that kills coronavirus. So all these things are kind of a value creation through marketing. So there is one data, it is there. Can anybody read this data? Anyone? Hello? Can anyone read this data? Karthikeyan, can you read?
It's not visible, sir.
Yeah. I'll be, yes. There are many people joining in between. I'll add them and yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir. Someone read this data, this particular data from April 1 to Karthikeyan, can you read?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From April 1 to June 13, 2018, Apple sent spent an estimate rupees 60 million, 16 million on digital, generating more than 3.54 billion. You
Okay. I'll
impression
impressions with 85.87 percentage coming from YouTube
coming from
according to
YouTube according to
Pathmatics.
Automatic.
Okay. So today you all go and check this particular website called Pathmatics. Okay. Pathmatics. So it is a wonderful website. You can learn a lot of data like this. So what they are coming and telling here is Apple has created digital advertisements between April 1 to June 13 in the year 2018. They spent around 60 million and they got 3.4 billion users visiting their products, that too specifically from the YouTube. So what they are doing is they are creating an advertisement and they are delivering to people and they are exchanging some customer value. So when we talk about Apple, you discuss about it is supreme design, its quality, its features. So they are exchanging some value. So and the next point is, can anyone tell what are the product you are looking at here? Can anyone unmute and tell what is the product displayed here?
Shirt, sir, shirt.
Okay, is it shirt alone or anything else?
Shirt with
ready-made, sir.
Shirt
Mask.
with mask. Yes.
cap.
Okay. Okay. It is not a cap. It is a mask. So now what the particular brand is coming and delivering is they are coming up with a product with a specific need or specific requirement. We all need a mask, right? Nowadays, when you go out. So government is insisting on wearing a mask. So can anyone identify this?
Burger King
Okay, yes,
snack
Burger King.
item.
Yeah, in Burger King, they came up with this particular advertisement during this lockdown. We cannot come out and eat, right? So they played some game in the Instagram, and it is not table tennis, Thomas. It is advertisement to stay at home. So table tennis, we will play at home, right? So they mentioned it here. So with the table tennis, you have to stay at home. So that's what they are coming and insisting. So next one. What is this?
Mask, sir.
Okay. So what is exactly coming and telling here? This mask, what it coming and telling to you? Any hidden message inside?
You cover nose and mouth.
Okay. Okay, fine. So there is a study that in whatever the mask we use and we throw it out simply, right? Those masks contain certain virus. So there is a campaign that think before you throw. So before you throwing your mask, you think that it will be infected. So marketing is a kind of an activity. It can be done anywhere. When we look at the first product, say it is a shirt. It was previously they could sell it with only shirt. Now they included a mask with it. So what they are doing exactly, they are creating some campaigns and they are delivering to the customer. and they are exchanging values. See here, it is a value add-on. The mask here is a value add-on. So Burger King is only a snacks item, but they are telling it stay at home, do not come outside. And finally, here they did not sell anything, they did not focus on any product, but they are just creating awareness. So the definition for marketing management could be you have to analyze, you have to plan, you have to implement and control the programs, because you just simply cannot go out and do any market or any marketing activity. You have to analyze well, you have to plan well, you have to implement. So that is what we saw in the examples we saw, the previous three examples. They are creating some analysis, they are planning, and they are implementing, and they controlled it. So this is what I want to do, this is what I have to display to my customer. So everyone has a different perception. So they have to control the program, and they have to build and maintain beneficial exchanges. See, in the first advertisement, with a shirt you will get a mask, so you get some benefit out of it. And then there is a target bias. You cannot sell shirt to everyone. There is a people who prefer buying that particular brand shirt, and there are people who particularly go for Burger King. There are people who just go for biryani. So you have to find out who is your target bias for the purpose of achieving your organization goal. What is the organization goal? To make your company profit. That's what we saw in marketing. So this is the concept or definition for marketing management. You have to learn it well. This would be a important 2 mark. It could be an important detailed question as well. Define marketing management activities related to marketing management. So we have learned marketing and marketing management. So in the first thing, we saw marketing as a activity, set of institutions, and the process for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. This is what American Marketing Association gave to us. And today we learned definition for marketing management, that is analysis, planning, implementation, and control of programs designed to create, build, and maintain beneficial exchanges with target buyers for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. Is there any doubt here regarding marketing management and the marketing? Any doubts? Any doubts here? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, I asked everyone to submit one assignment, right? Majority of you couldn't do, and a few of you have submitted. So, today we will discuss one topic in this particular assignment which I posted you, and we will learn what it is, and how we can relate it with marketing management. Everybody knows different marketing activities done by companies, right? People do placards, and people do television advertisements. We have seen many concepts like that. So there is one particular topic we are going to discuss today. That is a very, very important topic, and it will be a very important question as well in the exam point of view. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Yes, visible, sir.
okay, fine. So, what do you mean by mix? What do you mean by mix?
Combined together, sir.
Okay. Nice. It's a good answer. Combined
All
together.
product.
Okay, all product. Nice. Okay, so it is about combining products. Okay. So in marketing also, you cannot simply do one specific activity. There are different icons I have presented here. So it is a kind of mix. So 4 P's of marketing we are going to learn today. So it is a very simple and a very basic idea in marketing mix. So it will be in your detailed question. So you just learn it today. So you need not to worry during your exam. So the 4 P's are product, price, place, promotion. Can anyone repeat it by looking at the screen?
Product, place, price, promotion.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Okay, so product, price, place, promotion are called to be 4 P's of marketing mix. So without this mix, no marketing can be done. So first we will look into it. Marketing mix. So first marketing mix is product. What do you mean by product? What is product actually? Can anyone put it in chat box? What is product? What is product? Goods, nice, okay. Things, nice. Okay, then what is service? What is service? Yes, you can unmute and talk also, no issues. What is service? So, service is an extension of a value. So, there will be no product invisible. Like in product, we see product in hand. For example, if you take this mobile, it is a product. I am going to buy from a particular shop. I am going to get it. If the mobile got a display problem, I have to go and replace with this display. So, a person who is going to do it, this is service. Again, I will get as a new product or new mobile. So the first thing in product mix in marketing mix is product. So product means it could be goods and services. It's a combination. So product is complete mixture of goods and it is services. So that is the first mix we can learn. And the second is price. This mobile will have a price, right? Every product or every service you render it, it will have some price. So every marketing activity will focus on price. So recent days, what you saw a cheap product to buy. There are television advice, so many advertisements coming, right? There will be many advertisement coming up with if you buy this product, you will get this as a free. Can you list any one product? Can you list a product that gives you a price value? If you buy this, you will get this as a free. Can anyone tell? If you want, you can put it in chat also. For example, you take up Jio, you recharge it for 399 rupees. You will get 1.5 GB of GB per day and you'll get unlimited call, all those things. So this is also considered to be price. And the third marketing mix is place. So place is very crucial in marketing. You have to specifically find in which area you are going to place your product or your advertisement. For example, I am selling a mobile phone. Okay. Will I sell it near a school or will I sell it in a marketplace? Which one is good for selling? Which place is good for me to put up my display? It should be in a marketplace where many people come or a school or college side where very less people will come and visit. Which place I should place my advertisement? Am I giving you clear idea to answer you or you couldn't understand what I am asking? Market side, okay, marketplace, nice. So where many people will come and do their activity. So they see your product, they look into different benefits you give through your advertisements which you have shared with them. So in marketing mix, place is a vital role. You have to identify in this particular place I will be targeting my audience. In this particular place I will be focusing on this kind of advertisements. For example, if you take a television, there is a rule in particular timing you cannot advertise certain products. So it is there. So you cannot publish those advertisements during the time. So place is a very crucial, and we have to utilize minimum effort with a maximum reach. So that is what place does. So the final thing is promotion. The promotion means it is a kind of an activity. Example, I'm creating a super mall. In the mall, you get all the products. So what I will do, I will put, if you come today, you will get 1 kg rice for 50 rupees. If you come today, 1 kg carrot for 30 rupees. So promotion is everywhere. Wherever you go, there will be promotion. Even if you go to Kirana shop, that is, we call it in Tamil as a petikade, right? If you go to the Kirana shop, there also you will find some offers there. So promotion is everywhere. You cannot live without promotion. So promotion could be a last point, but it plays a major role. So you introduce your product in a simple banner. See, this is what I am going to promote. This is what I am going to give you. So marketing mix without promotion also, it is impossible. So to put together these four marketing mix are very important. So product, price, place, promotion is a marketing mix. So I hope everyone understood this. Okay. Can anyone tell what are the four P's of marketing?
Sir, product, price,
Product,
place.
Yes, one by one.
place, product, price, promotion.
Okay. Product, place, then
Promotion, price.
okay. So put it in order. Product, place, price, promotion. Okay. So in exam point of view, this is a very important question. So today you all learn one detailed question. It is there in question, different year question paper. It is there. So four piece of marketing, everyone can write very clearly. Just four words: product, place, price, promotion. Fine. So every promotion, every product, every price in every place, there is one particular effect is there. Can you identify it? Can simply one product comes and hits the market very easily? Is it possible? For example, today I am going to launch this particular mobile phone in the market. Is it possible for me to launch a product easily with the marketing? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Somewhat, sir.
Okay, somewhat it is possible. Okay. Who and all says yes? Just put it in yes in the chat box.
It's not possible, sir.
Okay, it is not possible. Okay. Yes. Agilan says Sagayam Prabhu. Yes. He still says yes. Prasant says no. Okay, fine. Okay. So out of 27 of you, there will be different of opinions. So yes, both the group are right. It is possible in some case, it is impossible in other case. So today we will look into one particular aspect that is called environment in marketing. So what is this environment in marketing? In marketing, there is a very specific need is required. It implies a environmental. For example, you are all at home right now. Can you attend the classes without any disturbance? Is it possible? Hello? Is my screen visible? Okay, impossible. Princey Maria tells impossible. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we will face different difficulties in home. If you come to college, will there be any disturbance like this? If you come to college and come to classroom, if you read anything, there will be not much disturbance, right? You will be in the classroom. I will come and teach you. So that scenario is different. So Environment is very important irrespective of the sector, irrespective of the person, irrespective of the professional. So it is very, very important to work in an environment. So marketing also depends on an environment. So that environment is called to be micro environment and macro environment. Though today we will see micro environment first, and the next class we will see macro environment. So this is again a very important detailed question. So make sure you learn 4 pieces of marketing and marketing environment very thoroughly when you have an exam. So micro environment. In micro environment, we got one, two, three, four, five. Five elements or five internal factors. These are directly coming to the company. Okay. For timing, I am not sharing my screen. We'll have one short chat box session. What are the things involved in a company? I'm going to open a supermarket. Let's put it as an example. What are the things I will be needing it to open a supermarket or to open a mall? What are the things I will be needing it? Product, okay, right? So from whom I will get the product? System, right? Okay, product, system, all this material we take it as money. Yes, fine. Money, okay, good. Price, okay, good. Transport,
Capital money.
okay. What is that, Abhi?
Capital money.
Capital money, right? Good. So manpower, guys. So these are the things I'll be needing to set up a small supermarket. Okay. So if you consider to be doing very big organization, you will need different kind of people to support you in different stages of business. For example, people told about product system, all these things. So what are they called to be? Suppliers. So suppliers play very, very important role in the environment, right? They have to give you product. Without product, will I open a supermarket? No, it is not possible. Okay. The second thing is publics. The publics means there are different people are out there, right? For example, small buyers, small business partners who come and interact with you. Sir, I have a rice shop in my home. I will supply you some rice. So they will come and I will put some rice back for you. You get 60%, I will get 40%. So these are called to be publics. And then regular customers. We have customers. People will come. They'll get the product. Few customers will be regularly coming. They will have membership. They will have all the details of us. They know very close to each other because they come very regularly. There will be customers who just come and buy. They will be going by car or vehicle. They just drop and they get the purchase and go. So these are customers type. And there are market intermediaries. What is this market intermediaries? When you go to a supermarket, everybody visited supermarket, right? Is anyone never visited the supermarket? Or anyone never went for shopping? Everyone goes to supermarket or shopping, right? Wherever whenever you go to shopping, you will see some advertisements like this shop is giving Peter Louis shirt. This shop is giving cake for 1 kg cake for 80 rupees. So the shop may be selling some other product in different scenario, but there will be different marketing for different products will be available. So those marketing intermediaries also will be very important. And finally, we have got competitors. Who are these competitors? I'm opening a supermarket. So my shop is Valan Peter Supermarket. For example, tomorrow if let's take Agilan. Agilan is opening one supermarket. So he putting opposite to my supermarket. So he is a competitor. So what competitor will do? He will give Agilan. Agilan, are you there? Hello? Agilan, can you hear me? Okay. Anyone? Jaimurthy, hello? If anyone can respond, volunteer, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhi, if you are opening a supermarket as a competitor, what are the things you will do?
I'll give more than you discount for the customers.
Okay.
Then I'll give advertisement
More than me.
customers.
Okay.
That's all, sir.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Abhi. So, Abhi, if Abhi puts out some supermarket as a competition to me, she will give more products for less money. She will give more advertisement than me. So, what I have to do? I have to compete with Abhi. So, the competition also very important in marketing. We see different competition in market. Just when you watch the television today, you just see there will be Lifebuoy playing on advertisement. Savlon will come up. Once Avalon does the advertisement, there will be Hammam in coming up. So every competition is very important in micro environment. So this is what micro environment in marketing management. So customers, publics, suppliers, marketing intermediaries, and competitors. Okay, everything clear? So today we saw two different topics. I mean, three different topics from the continuation from the first class. We saw about what is marketing and the marketing management, and we saw about four P's of marketing. That is product, price, place, promotion, and we discussed detailed about all the marketing mix. And we got the introduction to marketing environment. In marketing environment, we have micro and macro, and we completed micro today. That is customers, publics, suppliers, marketing intermediaries, and competitors. Okay, so everything clear, I hope. Any doubts here till here? Any doubt for anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, yeah.
have you uploaded Moodle any document, sir, about our class?
It is there. Can you tell your name? I don't know who is speaking.
I am Agilan, sir.
Yes, Agilan. Tell me, Agilan. Yeah.
Have you uploaded any document, sir?
Yes,
Moodle?
yes, yes. In Moodle, you have all the resources available, Agilan. You
But
got,
I
yes,
I
Agilan.
didn't get, sir.
You didn't get.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay, Agilan. Can
Sir.
you check with Murugan sir regarding this?
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So if any problem is there, just screenshot and give me, Agilan. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anybody has Moodle not working? Yes, Prashant. There is some issues. I have informed the HOD sir as well as, and
No, sir.
hello. Yeah. So it will be resolved by this weekend. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubt? So majority of you couldn't submit your assignment. I wish everyone submits well. Those who submitted, they did super work. So
Hello,
they,
sir.
yes. Who is it? Vimal. Yes, Vimal.
Yeah, Vimal.
Yes, Vimal.
Sir,
Yes.
is it possible? Yeah, is it possible to send the PDF through WhatsApp group, sir? We are
Vimal.
unable to access the Moodle, sir. But I approached Professor Murugan. He told us to ask Professor Sinoj. Then
Okay.
I sent the screenshot also. Even he is telling through not to go through app, but is telling to go through URL. Then I tried that type also, but unable to get into the Moodle, sir.
Okay. Okay, Vimal. I will discuss this issue. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Vimal, I can hear you. Can you mute? It is now. Yes. Thank you, Vimal. So there are issues there. We will check it out. Okay. there will be documents already available. Vimal, can you mute? Vimal? Yes. Thank you, Vimal. So all the materials are available already in the Moodle. So there are so many people coming up with the issue. By Saturday or tomorrow, we will have a session. We'll see who are all facing a issue in accessing. Okay. Is it good? Is it okay for all? Okay. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so those who did not submit the assignment, please submit it by today. And those who submitted the assignment, really, they have put so much of effort, and it's a wonderful topic we will discuss. So since majority didn't submit it, I couldn't discuss the assignment. That's a very interesting topic, right? Everyone, if everyone submits it, we will have a beautiful lesson. We will learn one more detailed question on it. Okay, thank you guys. There is one feedback form. I am applying it, so make sure before you leave, you fill this feedback. So this will be helpful to get your attendance. Okay. Thank you all. If any doubts, you always contact me. And I hope everyone knows my mobile number and email ID. So thank you. Thank you all. Make sure before you leave, participate in the feedback, and we'll meet tomorrow.